Hi, this footage showed you how I designed and made this smartphone tripod. First, I dragged a sketch on a piece of paper and designed it using Fusion 360. Here you can see the base and the middle part component. The middle part was designed so it could be snap-fit into the base to minimize 3D printing difficulties. The top part was designed to tighten the smartphone in between the base. Follow the video to assemble it. A rubber band is used as tighten mechanism. Here you can see I use a piece of rubber to prevent smartphone skating away. As you can see, it's quite tight. Now let me mount the smartphone onto a tripod. Perfect. Now a quick look around each angle of the tripod mount. Now, maybe you can make your own. Thanks for watching. See you next time.